Bestechman, Cicadas wings. Got this version from JTS Dynamic. He's got a website and he's also on Whatnot. This is the glow version, G10 scales. But probably my favorite thing about this knife is the acoustics. So much fun. Got a part 2 coming out here with a glow. Just charged this bad boy up. Not quite sunlight yet. Sure does glow. But that's that JTS Dynamic Glow Edition Cicadas wings. Bestechman's knife. Pick it up on his website still or on Whatnot. I just like the glow stuff. Thought I'd show you guys. Just a big kid enjoying myself. Have a good one.